Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I make some amazing Haitian spaghetti. Starting off with the ingredients, you're going to need some beef franks, tomato paste, bell peppers, habanero pepper. That's to make your epis. Onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, some garlic, as well as some Maggi, red onion, extra virgin olive oil, and some Barilla spaghetti. So this is just me showing you how I chop up some of my red onions. This is really easy. This is for those moms out there that are looking for a quick, new, easy meal. I know that some people aren't accustomed to eating Haitian spaghetti, but I'm telling you, it's really easy, very flavorful. And it's something that, if you're looking for something quick to make for the kids, that's really fulfilling, that they'll really, want to come back coming to and trying for seconds and thirds, then this is the meal for you. Don't be intimidated by, the ingredients or anything. Sometimes people see a title and like, oh, I don't think I can make that. But I'm telling you, it's really simple, flavorful, and it'll allow your kids and your family to incorporate more vegetables, in their meal. Now, after that has been done, we're going to go ahead and cut up some of our bell peppers, get rid of the seeds. And I always like to wash my vegetables prior to cooking. So don't forget, even though if I don't show that step in this video, go ahead and just make sure everything is washed off. Now I really love chopping up some garlic. For some reason, call me weird, call me whatever, but it's just fun. I guess, mashing it up as far as removing the skin and cutting it up. So we're going to be using this for our epis, okay? This is an optional step, but I find it to make the spaghetti really good. So I showed two ways of cutting up the beef franks. You can go straight or diagonally. We usually like to cut it up diagonally. It just makes the presentation look better. It's not going to change the taste or anything, but we usually cut it up diagonally. So in the beginning, I just showed how you can, if you want to go the straight way, that's fine, or you can go diagonally. It just makes it, in my opinion, look a little bit more appealing. Okay, now that everything has been prepped, this is me just showing you the results of chopping and cutting and all that. So that plate over there is going to be for the epis. And again, that's optional. Some people might not like the extra step, but I'm telling you, you won't regret it. I went ahead and separated my seasonings, and this is just me showing you everything. So I blended my epis. Everything will be in the description box. Salted my water to cook the pasta in. So just season your water, not too much salt because you're already having Maggi and all that. Come to a boil, save that water, do not get rid of that pasta water. Again, urgent, don't get rid of the pasta water. My pot is hot, so I'm adding the oil. This is going to be to cook the beef franks. Make sure it gets a little hot and then add the beef franks so they could be cooked. And I like this golden color. That's how you know it's going to be really good. It has that nice golden color. And in that same pot, you're going to add the bell peppers, and all that flavor is going to be incorporated in the bell peppers. Always cook your bell peppers before you cook your red onions because they tend to or any onions, they tend to cook a little bit longer. It takes longer to saute. And as you can see, I'm adding my seasonings from the previous clip to the bell peppers along with my Maggi. So all my seasonings are gonna be added to the bell peppers and sauteed. This is the pasta water that I'm using. And then I added about half of the epis, and then I saved the other half for later. So again, you can add half. And again, the habanero is optional because it adds a little kick to the spaghetti. So if you know that, your family don't like, a little spiciness to it, don't add it. It's completely optional. As you can see, I add my my red bell peppers, my red onions to the pot. And then I let that cook for a while. And then I add the beef franks. And this is me adding the tomato paste to it. Let it cook really good. After it's cooked, I add my spaghetti to the noodles, I should say, the noodles to the pot, and then a little bit more Epis and let it cook, mix it really well, and this is the outcome. Look at how beautiful that color is. The seasonings is amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please don't be afraid to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell. All right, I'll see you on the next video.